Hey everybody, I'm Greg with the Fix My Bleep channel. Thanks so much for joining me today. This is going to be a quick unboxing of the Govee Christmas string lights version 2. There's a link in the description where you can find these. Let's get to the video. Here's a quick look at the box. Now these Govee lights do come with an app that you can install on your phone. You can put them on a timer. There are 300 LEDs. This is a 99-foot string, so nice and long. Little look there. Lots of functions. Also, you can use these lights indoor or outdoors, and they're fantastic. You can change the brightness on these lights. Let's get this thing open. Alright, let's open these lights up. And just so you're aware, they do work with our A-Friend and Google Home. Nice little pamphlet there. And little instructions. Little installation, storage, all that good stuff. Here is your spool of lights. Like I say, 99 feet, which is fantastic. So the lights are embedded right into the wire, which I actually like for putting onto trees and things like that. Here is your box with your brick and everything built right in. Your plug is all right there. That's got your controller that links up with your phone and your network and your extra cable. And that is everything in the box for the Govee Christmas lights, 99-foot, 300 lights, version 2. Alright, thank you so much for joining me today. Hopefully this video is really helpful. Be sure and give me the thumbs up, like and subscribe to the channel. There will be a review on these Govee Christmas lights coming up shortly. Be sure and check out these other videos I've got going on, and I'll catch you guys later.